Forest structure and soil properties in Bagle Forest Reserve, Nigeria. This important article is authored by the following scientists. In order to study the relationship between forest structure and edaphic characteristics of Bagle Forest Reserve, an in-depth soil survey was conducted. 5 fragments, Tudunwada, Holon, Modere, Laga and Vyoro Dole in altitudes less than 200 meters, 200 to 300 meters, 300 to 400 meters, 400 to 500 meters and greater than 750 meters above sea level respectively were selected along a section line from southwest to northeast using Landsat ETM Plus satellite imagery from Google Earth. Composite soil samples were systematically collected at 4 points each in the 15 sample plots, each measuring 100 by 100 meters that were laid in the fragments at 0 to 20 centimeters and 20 to 40 centimeters depths, and their physicochemical analysis was done in the laboratory. Height, dBH, volume, basal area and crown area of trees in the plots were measured. Results revealed negative and positive associations between forest structure and the soil elements. Sand, texture, and bulk density had negative relationships with forest structure, while clay and porosity had relatively strong positive relationships with height, dBH, volume, and basal area. Height, dBH, volume, basal area, and the crown area had a negative relationship with pH, EC, phosphorus, Na, AVP, and K, but positive correlations with OC, OM, TN, Ca, Mg, TEB, and TEA. Salinization is not a significant pedogenic process in the soil, which also does not contain a concentration of soluble salt that may hamper the growth of plants. This reserve requires strategic interventions to ensure its long-term sustainability and development. There is a need to educate the people, especially those proximal to the reserve, through extension programs and capacity building to avoid the illegal felling of trees and practice of harmful anthropogenic activities such as wrong farming techniques and bush burning, which are all detrimental to the soil and trees. This study could be used as a template to evaluate the current edaphic status and performance of trees in the forest reserves in the subregion. This work is not conclusive and opens the window for further researches in this field. Introduction. Forests play a crucial role in preserving biodiversity and combating climate change. Healthy soil is key to forest growth, as it supports plant life and affects the structure of plant communities. This study explores how forest structure and different vegetation types influence soil quality and nutrient distribution. It was found that vegetation not only depends on soil characteristics but also helps shape them. Factors such as plant type, land use, like grazing or farming, and depth in the soil profile all affect nutrient content and microbial activity. For example, fallowed land tends to have richer soil compared to farmland due to less disturbance. Trees also impact soil by controlling how much rain reaches the ground and how nutrients are absorbed or lost. Understanding these relationships is important for managing forests effectively and developing better policies for soil and land conservation, especially in forest reserves. Conclusion. This study explored how forest structure, like tree size, height, and canopy, relates to the condition of the soil in a forest reserve. Measurements were taken from trees in marked areas, and soil samples were tested in the lab. The analysis showed that in most cases, as forest structure changed, soil quality tended to decline, revealing mostly negative relationships between the two. The soil was found to be acidic and weak in structure, which can affect tree growth and forest health. To protect and improve this forest, changes are needed, such as reducing harmful human activities like illegal tree cutting, poor farming methods, and bush burning. Educating nearby communities through awareness programs is also important. This study offers a useful model for checking the health of both soil and trees in similar forests across the region, helping guide better forest management and conservation efforts. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.